как ровно, а.
Белая тряпка моя любимая.
The door slams shut, the yard breathes deep. The old dust stirs from a heavy sleep. I laugh through the ringing inside my head, walking forward where the fire is fed. Though the road is tight, though the wind blows cold, I hear the call in the night of something I hold. I hold. Another fight, I keep this rhythm, I stand in the light. Another day and I'm back in the game, heart in my hands and it's just full of flame. Another day, another dawn, though it all breaks down, I will carry on. Another day and I'll find the grace to love, to live, to hold my place. Footsteps creak on the wooden floor. A neighbor nods as I pass his door. Hands in the grease, palms in the grit, but every scar has a road in it. And if the night gets dark and long, I'll tell her straight that she is wrong. There's rusty metal inside my voice, but it hasn't betrayed my final choice. Though the road is tight, though the wind blows cold,